Join your right hand. Okay, follow me. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul today and onward, in sickness and in health, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, that only death will do us part. Okay? This is for Hannah. Which one? This one. Okay? Say, give your hand, Hannah. Say, Hannah. Say, Hannah. Wear this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love for you. Not okay.
May lambing yun, ah.
Likewise, Jerry. Say, Jerry. Wear this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love for you.
May lambing yun, ah.
By the authority vested upon me by the state, I will now pronounce you as husband and wife. Okay, give me a proof, Jerry, that you love Hannah very much. Kiss the bride. Bumelo ka pa.
Doon naman, doon na.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, ano ang apelyido mo, Jerry?
Ortega.
Ano?
Ortega.
Okay, okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to introduce to you our newly wedded couple, no other than Mr. and Mrs. Jerry and Hannah Ortega. Palakpakan po natin.